Have you ever wondered how the rich seem to grow their wealth so quickly while others struggle to get ahead? It's not just about having more money. It's about following a specific set of rules that guide their decisions, investments, and habits. In this video, we're going to uncover 15 rules that wealthy people live by to build wealth faster. These aren't secrets. They're principles that anyone can adopt to accelerate financial growth and create a life of abundance. Imagine having the clarity and confidence to make every financial decision count. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to level up your strategy, these rules will give you the tools to think and act like the rich. Let's dive in. Wealth isn't just about luck or talent. It's about discipline. The rich follow a set of proven rules that keep them focused, consistent, and strategic. These rules help them grow their income, protect their assets, and take advantage of opportunities that others might miss. But here's the good news. You don't need to be born wealthy to apply these principles. Anyone can follow them regardless of where they're starting from. It's all about learning, adapting, and committing to a process that builds wealth over time. In this video, we're not just sharing what the rich do. We're showing you how you can apply these same rules to your life and start seeing results. Before we dive into the specific rules, it's important to understand why they work. These rules are based on 3 key principles. 1. Leverage. Using tools, knowledge, and resources to multiply results. 2. Discipline. Staying consistent with habits and long-term strategies. 3. Mindset. Thinking like a builder, not just a spender. When you combine these principles, you create a powerful system for accelerating financial growth. The rules we're about to share are practical, actionable, and proven to work. Let's begin with the first rule, which is the cornerstone of building wealth faster. Now that we've set the stage, it's time to explore the 15 rules rich people follow to build wealth faster. Each rule is a stepping stone, helping you think differently about money, investments, and opportunities. Some of these rules may challenge your current habits, while others will feel like a natural fit. The key is to embrace these principles, adapt them to your life, and take consistent action. Let's start with the first rule, which lays the foundation for everything else. The first rule of building wealth faster is a classic principle. Pay yourself first. Before you pay bills or spend on anything else, set aside a portion of your income for savings and investments. Wealthy people treat saving as a non-negotiable. They automate contributions to retirement accounts, investment portfolios, and emergency funds, ensuring they always prioritize their financial future. This simple habit creates a safety net and accelerates long-term growth. Start small if you need to, but make it consistent. Over time, paying yourself first becomes the foundation for building wealth and achieving financial independence. The second rule is simple but powerful. Live below your means. Wealthy people don't let lifestyle inflation eat away at their income. Instead of spending every dollar they earn, they prioritize saving and investing the difference. This doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means being intentional with your spending. Focus on what truly adds value to your life while cutting out unnecessary expenses. By keeping your expenses lower than your income, you create a surplus that can be used to grow your wealth. Remember, it's not about how much you make. It's about how much you keep. The third rule is to invest in assets, not liabilities. Assets are things that grow in value or generate income, like stocks, real estate, or a business. Liabilities, on the other hand, are things that lose value over time, like cars, gadgets, or unnecessary debt. Wealthy people focus their money on building a portfolio of assets that work for them. For every dollar they earn, they ask, how can I make this grow? By prioritizing assets, they create streams of income that compound over time. Shift your focus from consuming to investing. Every asset you acquire brings you closer to financial freedom. The fourth rule is to diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income is risky. Wealthy people create multiple streams such as side businesses, dividends, real estate income, or royalties. Diversification doesn't just increase earning potential. It protects you from setbacks like losing a job or changes in the market. Even small additional streams can grow into significant sources of income over time. Start by exploring opportunities that align with your skills and interests. The more streams of income you have, the faster you can build and protect your wealth. The fifth rule is to think long-term. The wealthy understand that building lasting wealth isn't about quick wins. It's about making decisions that pay off over years or even decades. This mindset helps them stay focused during market downturns and avoid emotional reactions to short-term events. They prioritize investments with strong fundamentals and create financial plans that align with their long-term goals. Adopting this rule means asking yourself, how will this decision benefit me 5, 10, or 20 years from now? Wealth is a marathon, not a sprint, and long-term thinking is what gets you to the finish line. The sixth rule is to leverage the power of compounding. Compounding is when your money starts earning money, and those earnings generate even more returns. It's one of the most powerful tools for building wealth quickly. Wealthy people start investing early and let time do the heavy lifting. They reinvest their earnings, allowing their portfolios to grow exponentially. Even small, consistent contributions can lead to massive growth over time. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. Compounding rewards patience and consistency, so make it a priority to invest regularly and let your wealth snowball. The seventh rule is to master emotional discipline. Wealthy people don't let emotions drive their financial decisions. They know that fear and greed can lead to impulsive actions, like selling during a market dip or chasing high-risk investments. Instead, they rely on data, research, and a long-term plan to guide their choices. They stay calm during market fluctuations and avoid getting caught up in trends. Emotional discipline allows them to make decisions that align with their goals, not their impulses. To follow this rule, take a step back when you feel emotional about money. Remind yourself of your plan and focus on the bigger picture. The eighth rule is to continuously learn and adapt. The wealthy know that financial success isn't static. It requires staying informed and evolving with the times. They invest in their education by reading books, attending seminars, and following market trends. They're also open to adapting their strategies when new opportunities arise or circumstances change. This rule reminds us that wealth building is a journey, not a destination. The more you learn, the better equipped you are to make smarter decisions and stay ahead of the curve. The ninth rule is to leverage other people's time and expertise. Wealthy individuals understand that their own time is limited, so they delegate tasks and partner with experts to achieve more. For example, they hire financial advisors, collaborate with skilled professionals, or outsource tasks that aren't the best use of their time. This allows them to focus on high-value activities like strategic planning and investment decisions. You don't have to do it all alone. By surrounding yourself with the right people, you can accelerate your progress and avoid costly mistakes. The 10th rule is to protect your wealth with insurance and legal structures. Building wealth is only half the battle. Keeping it safe is equally important. The wealthy use tools like trusts, LLCs, and comprehensive insurance policies to safeguard their assets from lawsuits, taxes, and unexpected events. They see protection as a necessary investment, not an optional expense. Take the time to review your own coverage and legal structures. Are you protected against risks? If not, it's time to prioritize wealth preservation. The 11th and final rule is to focus on abundance, not scarcity. The wealthy believe there's always more wealth to create, more opportunities to seize, and more success to achieve. This mindset helps them stay optimistic and open to possibilities, even during challenging times. Instead of worrying about running out of money, they focus on creating new streams of income and adding value to the world. By adopting this mindset, you'll approach your financial journey with confidence and creativity. Remember, abundance starts with how you think. We've just explored 15 powerful rules that the wealthy use to build wealth faster. These principles aren't just for the rich. They're tools anyone can use to accelerate their financial journey. Now it's your turn. Which of these rules resonated with you the most? Are you ready to pay yourself first, diversify your income, or think long-term? Remember, every small step you take today brings you closer to financial freedom tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us create more content that empowers people to take control of their financial futures. And let us know in the comments, what's the first rule you'll apply to your life? Thank you for watching, and here's to mastering the rules of wealth and creating the life you deserve. See you in the next video.